Imagine a world where building a successful online business is effortless. A world where cutting-edge technology does the heavy lifting for you. This is the promise of Onpassive, a revolutionary platform utilizing the power of artificial intelligence to transform the digital marketing landscape. Onpassive offers a suite of sophisticated tools and resources designed to automate and optimize your online business, driving traffic, generating leads, and maximizing your earning potential. It's a game changer for entrepreneurs of all levels, from seasoned marketers to those just starting. Onpassive is more than just a platform, it's a movement. It's a community of like-minded individuals united by the common goal of achieving financial freedom and living life on their own terms. By leveraging the power of this innovative platform, you can unlock unprecedented opportunities to build a sustainable and profitable online business. The key is understanding how to harness its full potential. But before we jump right in, please take a moment and subscribe, like, and comment below. Thanks. While Onpassive offers a powerful solution for online business success, many individuals fail to fully capitalize on its potential. The biggest mistake? Inaction. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of the platform's potential and then stall, waiting for success to magically appear. But Onpassive is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a vehicle that requires you to take the wheel and steer. This inaction can manifest in various ways. Some hesitate to fully commit, delaying the launch of their Onpassive business or investing the necessary time and effort to learn the system. Others dabble in the platform, inconsistently using the tools and resources available. This lack of commitment and consistent action is the single biggest obstacle to Onpassive success. The good news is that overcoming inaction is entirely within your control. Success with Onpassive begins with a shift in mindset. Embrace the understanding that you are an active participant in your business journey. Onpassive provides the tools, but you are the driver. Start by setting clear goals for your Onpassive business. What do you hope to achieve? Increased income? Financial freedom? Once you have a target, break it down into smaller, actionable steps. This could include dedicating specific time slots each day to work on your business, mastering the various marketing tools provided by Onpassive, or actively engaging with the Onpassive community. Consistency is key. Just like building any successful business, Onpassive requires consistent effort over time. Make it a habit to show up daily, even if it's just for a short period. Small, consistent actions compound into significant results over time. Section 4. Real-world results. Proof that action breeds success. Countless individuals will be transformed through Onpassive, but their potential success stories will have a common thread: action. Take, for example, Sarah, a single mother who was struggling to make ends meet. Skeptical at first, she decided to give Onpassive a try, committing to learning the system and consistently implementing the strategies for her future success. Within a year, she will potentially replace her full-time income, achieving the financial freedom she had always dreamed of. Or consider John, a retired teacher who was looking for a way to supplement his income. Initially hesitant to embrace the world of online business, he took the leap and fully committed to Onpassive. Through consistent effort and a willingness to learn, John will be able to thrive online with his business, exceeding his financial goals and finding a renewed sense of purpose in retirement. Section 5. Unleash your potential. Take the first step today. Your Onpassive journey starts now. The power to change your life is within your grasp. Don't let inaction hold you back from the success you deserve. Embrace the opportunity. Commit to the process. Take action. Start small if you need to, but start today. Learn the system, utilize the tools, and engage with the community. The path to success is paved with consistent action. Onpassive provides the vehicle, but you are in the driver's seat. Where will you go? For more information about Onpassive and how to make money online, please go to the description below. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.